Hi, my name is Elle and I'm with Saddle and Stomp, and today we are going to teach you the dance called Going Ham. It's dance to the song Crank It Up. It's an improver level dance, but I like to teach this dance in my high beginner classes. It is 32 counts, 2 walls, 1 restart, and 1 tag. And the name of the choreographer is listed in the description below. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to demonstrate the dance and teach you the dance facing our 12 o'clock wall so you can look at the video and repeat exactly what I'm doing facing me, and then I'll turn around and show you the steps so you can see what it looks like a little bit more close up and a little clearer. But for the purpose of learning, let's do it facing our 12 o'clock wall. Our right foot is going to start this dance. We're going to step forward, and then we're going to swivel our heel and our hip. So the way we do that is we lift our foot onto the ball of our foot, we swivel our heel out and with our hip at the same time, and we bring it back in. So that is a heel swivel. So let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, swivel. Okay, from here, we're gonna take our right foot to lead us into a coaster step. A coaster step is taking your right foot, stepping behind, your left foot meets your right to switch the weight, and then your right foot goes forward. All right, so let's put that together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, swivel, coaster, step. Amazing. So let's do the same thing on the left side to finish our left count. Or let's do the same thing on the left side to finish the 8 count. We're going to take our left foot. We're going to step, swivel. This time we're going to do a coaster step starting with our left foot. We're going to take our left back. Right meets our left, switches weight, steps forward with our left. Okay. So let's just do the left side. Ready? And step, swivel, coaster, step. Amazing. Let's put it all together, and then I'll turn to face you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, swivel, coaster, step. Left step, swivel, coaster, step. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Amazing. Let me face you so you can see exactly what's happening with my feet. I'm going to do it with counts first and then steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, let's move on to our second 8 count. Ready? We're gonna take our right foot for a rocking step, but before we do, we wanna finish where we left off, which is a coaster step. So our left foot's forward. So we're gonna take our right foot, because our weight should be on our left. We're gonna rock, so we step with our right. We kind of lift our left foot up because we're switching all that weight onto our right foot to recover on our left foot. And then from here, we're gonna do a right shuffle over our right shoulder for a half shuffle. So we recovered on our left. We're gonna take our right foot for a shuffle step, which is a triple step, which means 3 steps. So we take our right foot, we go right, ball of our foot, right. We'll do that again. So we rock, recover, take our right foot, right quarter turn, ball of our foot to continue turning, probably at a, 5:30? And then we finish with that third step on our right foot, completely doing a half turn. So now facing our 6 o'clock wall. Let's do that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, triple turn. All right, again, because that's probably the hardest part. Take our right foot, we rock, recover, right, left, right. Amazing. So let's move on from here. So we did a rock, recover, shuffle step. We're now going to rock, recover on our left foot, rock, recover to finish off with a coaster step, left foot coaster step, coaster step. Amazing. Let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's do it again from the top of that 8 count a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, shuffle step, rock, recover, coaster step. All right, with counts this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Amazing. Let's put it all together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, swivel, coaster, step, left step, swivel, coaster, step. rock, recover, shuffle, turn, rock, recover, coaster, step. Amazing. Let's do it one more time from the top with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All right, we are halfway done with this dance. Let's move on to our third 8 count. We're going to do a grapevine to the right, facing our 6 o'clock wall, which is why I'm facing you now. So we're going to take our right foot. We'll start going to the right for a grapevine. We step out right, behind with our left, out, right. Together, the step sheet says to do a turning grapevine to the left, but we just do a grapevine to the left for ease. So we take a left foot, step left, behind, left, together. However, if you wanted to do the turning grapevine, you so can. It is in the step sheet, so I'll just demonstrate what that looks like. It's step, behind, step, together, step, turn, step, together. Let's do that with counts a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To make it a bit more fun, I always clap at the end of each vine. It makes it a little bit more upbeat. So I'll demonstrate what that looks like. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fab. Moving on. We are going to our final 8 count, which starts with our right foot. We're going to kick our right foot out, then to the side. From here, we're going to do a sailor step. So a sailor step is very similar to a coaster step, more so at a diagonal. So we're going to take our right foot, cross behind our left, left meets our right, step out at a diagonal with our right foot. All right, well, let's put that together with the kicks now from the top of this 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick forward, out, sailor step. From here, we're going to do the exact same thing with our left foot. We're going to kick forward, out, sailor step. And that is the end of that 8 count. So let's practice this 8 count all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, right kick, kick, sailor step, left kick, kick, sailor step. Amazing. Let's do this from the top of the third 8 count. So that's the grapevine. So we can continue facing the 6 o'clock wall, and then we'll put it all together from the start right after that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, step out, behind, out, together, left, out, behind, left, together, kick forward, out, sailor step, forward, out, sailor step with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, swivel, coaster, step, left, step, swivel, coaster, step, rock forward, recover, triple turn, rock forward, recover, coaster, step, grapevine to the right, out, behind, out, together, kick, kick, sailor step, kick, kick, sailor step. All right, let's try it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, that is the dance, everybody. Let's do it one more time together, a little bit faster with counts and steps, and then I will walk you through the restart and the tag. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All right, now steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, swivel, coaster, step. Step, swivel, coaster, step. Rock, recover, triple turn, rock, recover, coaster, step, grapevine, behind, out, together, left, behind, left, together, kick forward, out, sailor step, kick forward, out, sailor step. Amazing. Well done, everybody. That is the dance called Goin' Ham. There is one restart. It happens on the 4th wall. So it's a 2-wall dance. I'll walk you through what that means after 16 counts. So let's do that together. So this is wall number 1, wall number 2, wall number 3, wall number 4. So we are on the 4th wall after 16 counts, okay? So let's do 16 counts together and figure out what that means for when we restart. We should be facing the 12 o'clock wall at the restart. So let's do 16 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Restart from here. So it's step, swivel, coaster, step, swivel, coaster, step. You do the dance all over again. Amazing. Now, there is one tag, which happens in the dance after wall 9, facing 6. So you're facing this wall after wall 9. You will hear it in the music. It's like a fast beat. And in the step sheet, it says to do a rocking horse. I would say it's probably a slow rocking horse with 4 counts, but in the dancing socials that we do and what I see across all dancing socials, especially back home in California, is fast feet. So you just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 slow counts with fast feet. And then you start the dance again. So that happens after wall 9 facing the 6 o'clock wall. So I will walk you through what that looks like. So wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4, wall 5, wall 6, wall 7, wall 8, wall 9. But after you finish wall 9, which will lead you to facing 6 o'clock, you will then do your tag. I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. And if you are in Adelaide and you're looking for anything line dancing, please visit our website to find out all the things that we do here in Adelaide. And thanks so much for watching.
Country girl, shake them hips. DJ, make that record still. It's a straight up redneck rager doing body shots of Jaeger. Let her rip. We on that moonshine and we sipping on Bacardi. We showing Vegas how it's country folk party. What happens in the backwoods stays in the backwoods. We going ham, y'all, hard as a mother. So crazy.